Hi all, welcome to the new video. And in this video we are going to discuss about the different type of buses which are available in 8085 microprocessor. So actually what is buses? It is a collection of wires. It is a group of wires used for transmit binary numbers. 1 bit per wire it can transmit. So typically a microprocessor communicates with the memory and the other devices by using these buses. Mainly there are three types of buses. First one is address bus, is used for transferring addresses. Next one is data bus. Data bus can transfer datas. And the control bus controls all these items, all the items inside the microprocessor. So this is the bus architecture figure. So you can see here an 8085 microprocessor, and this is our memory for storing datas. Then this is one input section, and this is the output section. So here this is our address bus, and we are using an address bus of 16-bit sometimes. So that's why it is written here A0 to A15. So actually we have only 8-bit, but by the multiplexed use of the data bus, that means sometimes we are using this bus as also an address bus. So, and combining this 8-bit and this 8-bit, we will get a total of 16-bit. That is why A0 to A15 it is written here. And this is the address bus, and we can see the arrow marks move to the memory, then input and the output. No bidirectional arrow mark you can see, since all the addresses are coming from the MUP. Then the data bus, when we are checking here, you can say bidirectional arrow mark, that is the memory, and the MUP is transferring data to and fro. That's why it is bidirectional arrow mark. And if we check the case of the input block, the data is coming from the input block, not to the other side. That's why it is in one direction. Likewise, we need to display data or giving some instructions or some data to the output devices. That's why this data is in upward direction. If you are checking the control bus, we can see all the arrows are coming from inside the MUP to the corresponding blocks, that is memory, input, output, etc. So in this we can say that the database is the only one with the bidirectional. Next we can check the address bus. So address bus is 16-bit lines, that is A0 to A15, and it is mainly used for carrying the memory addresses. This operates in unidirectional, that is all the data are coming from inside the MUP, not the reverse operation. That's why all the arrow mark are from the MUP to the external devices or the memory. And this address bus will perform our first function of the microprocessor, that is identifying a peripheral or memory location. So we need to identify first for doing the calculation and all the other items. 16 address lines are capable for addressing a total of 2 raised to 16 memory locations. That is, we have 2 raised to 16 memory location available with the 8085 microprocessors. That is actually 65,000 something. And if you are checking the hexadecimal value, it is from 000, that means 40 to 4FF. Next we can move to the data bus. So database is an 8-bit line, that's from D0 to D7. It is mainly used for carrying the data, and this operates in bidirectional mode, that is to and fro, that is we can send data from MUP to the memory and memory to the database. This bus will perform the second function, that is the transfer binary information, that is data and instructions are transferred from memory to microprocessor, and it is capable of addressing total 2 raised to 8 memory location, that is 256 memory locations it is available, and the data range is from 00 to FF. And the next one is a control bus. Control bus consists of various single lines, and it is not a group of lines, various single lines it has, and this perform the third function of the MUP, that is provide timing or synchronization signals to the all the items inside the MUP, and the flow is unidirectional one. That is, all the signals are coming from the MUP only, that is MUP to the memory, MUP to the input, and MUP to the output. So the control bus is an unidirectional one, and it comprises of various single lines. and it's not in a group of line. Okay all, thank you for watching. See you on next video.